Can I make calls from my iPad using my iPhone's cellular network?
Hello everyone. Today we're discussing an interesting and highly practical topic. Can I make calls from my iPad using my iPhone's cellular network? The quick answer is, yes, you can. Apple's continuity feature allows your iPad to share the cellular network from your iPhone. Let's dig into the details and show you exactly how it's done.
What is Apple's continuity?
Continuity is a suite of features provided by Apple that allows all your devices to work together seamlessly. This means you can start something on one device and continue it on another. It also allows you to make and receive phone calls from your iPad, as long as it's connected to your iPhone and they're on the same Wi-Fi network.
How to enable the continuity feature?
To make this work, you'll first need to set up the continuity feature on your devices. Follow these steps. 1. Make sure both your iPhone and iPad are updated to the latest iOS version. 2. Sign in to iCloud with the same Apple ID on both devices. 3. Ensure Wi-Fi is turned on for both devices, and they're both connected to the same network. 4. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on for both devices. 5. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then Phone, then Calls on other devices, and make sure the feature is turned on. 6. On your iPad, go to Settings, then FaceTime, and turn on Calls from iPhone.
How to make a call from iPad using iPhone's cellular network?
Once you've set everything up, it's straightforward to make a call from your iPad. Here's how. 1. Open the FaceTime app on your iPad. 2. Tap the plus button to start a new call. 3. Enter the phone number or email address of the person you want to call. 4. Tap audio or video to start your call. That wraps up our tutorial on making calls from an iPad using an iPhone's cellular network. This is a very handy feature, especially when your phone is charging or out of reach, but you have your iPad on hand. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.